Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the OHTO Super Promecha drafting pencil. And I can already tell you taking it out, it's sort of heavy and feels pretty substantial. So, Alright. So this is the OHTO Super Promecha. And this pencil is 0.9 millimeters. Alright. It feels pretty good. It's weighted heavier on this end. And so I guess I can adjust stuff like this. I feel like I need instructions for this one. Let's look and see. Alright. So, if we twist things, things happen. So you can twist the knurled area down there at the bottom of the barrel. You can twist that part, and you can twist that part. And that part. Alright. So let's see. If we twist this part like this, I wonder what happens. Maybe it just adjusts the positioning of the grip here. I guess I kind of like that it's adjustable. Where does this adjust? This adjusts. Alright, so that part adjusts how much of this little point sticks out. I get that. So where does this adjust? Maybe nothing? And this adjusts how far down the end it goes. Okay. So what do these adjust? This adjusts nothing. This adjusts the eraser? I don't know. It has a cheap, kind of crappy eraser cover. Okay, so I guess what you can do is if you don't like the little end piece sticking out, and so if you don't like the little end piece sticking out, or if you want it sticking all the way out, you can adjust that, like so, and then I don't know. It's interesting. I feel like the pencil is too complicated for me. I don't know. So, what do y'all think? The problem is, I'm not, in any stretch of the imagination, a professional drafter. I'm just a dude that likes pens. So, I can adjust this part, have that go in and out. Adjust that part. So this part twists on the inside. Okay. So this twist here to adjust something. Let's see. So this adjusts. Maybe it adjusts how much the lead extends every time. Let's see. We twist it all the way this way. And then we twist it all the way the other way. I don't know. Well, it's interesting. I can tell you that from the parts of this pen I understand, or this pencil I understand, it seems to let you adjust it so it's as comfortable for you to use as possible. And it seems like if you're doing a ton of drafting or using your pencil, this would be critically important to make it as comfortable as you can. So like if you want the weight sitting right here, or if you want the weight sitting farther up, you can adjust all of that and, you know, manage it that way. Anyway, any of you who want to explain what that twisty thing and that twisty thing and that twisty thing are for, please let me know in the comments. Oh, I figured out this twisty thing is to adjust the clip. So if you want to remove the clip, you can get rid of the clip that way. So one twisty mystery solved. And I'm guessing this I don't know what that's for. Anyway, let me know if you have any ideas in the comments. And I'll put a link to in the description for the pencil if you want to check it out. I don't know. It's kind of neat. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.